Despite last year's devastating loss when the University of Queensland's COVID-19 vaccine had to be abandoned, researchers have still kept on with development of the molecular clamp technology, which is hoped to provide a more stable vaccine response without the previous false positive HIV results. Microbes discovered deep underground remain virtually unchanged since 175 million years ago. The micrometeorite flux of Dome C, Antarctica, monitoring the accretion of extraterrestrial dust on Earth. Every year more than 5,000 tons of extraterrestrial dust fall to Earth. A study in Nature of the tumor microenvironment reveals cell-intrinsic partitioning in which glucose uptake is higher in myeloid cells, whereas glutamine is preferentially acquired by cancer cells. South African variant can break through Pfizer vaccine, Israeli study says. Mars swung between humid and arid conditions before it dried up. Europe's oldest known humans mated with Neandertals surprisingly often. Evidence linking pregnant women's exposure to phthalates, found in plastic packaging and common consumer products, to altered cognitive outcomes and slower information processing in their infants, with males more likely to be affected. A trek under Thwaites Glacier's ice shelf reveals specific risks of warm water. Inactivated Herpes Simplex Virus-1 activates cold tumor to improve chemotherapy and tumor-infiltrating lymphocyte response for pediatric high-grade gliomas. Scientists at UCL have used artificial intelligence to identify 3 new multiple sclerosis subtypes. Researchers say the groundbreaking findings will help identify those people more likely to have disease progression and help target treatments more effectively. Dementia risk doubles if people have both vision and hearing loss. Strange muon behavior hints at mysterious new particles and forces. A model from the University of Washington Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluations, IHME, predicts about 618,523 people will have died from coronavirus in the US by August 1st. If 95% of the US population wore masks, the projection drops to 604,413 deaths. A fifth fundamental force of physics has been suggested by muon experiment, Science and Tech News.